Hello and welcome to this Back to Basics guided meditation for beginners. In the next few minutes, you'll delve into meditation with me as your guide. This recording is designed for anyone new to meditation, but it also provides an opportunity for anyone to return to basics and rediscover the heart of their practice. Many of us have a very fixed idea of what meditation is. Perhaps you may see someone sitting cross-legged on a pillow and chanting, or even refusing to speak for days at a time. Although these techniques and practices can deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you, they do not necessarily define meditation. Put simply, meditating is becoming attuned to yourself, finding peace and stillness in the midst of a hectic world. It's an intensely personal experience, and soon you will find yourself developing habits and preferences for your own practice. For right now though, allow yourself to release all of your expectations for what you will encounter in the next few minutes, and open yourself to a world of infinite possibilities. When you are quiet and contemplative, any mystery can reveal itself to you. We will begin by relaxing. If you have not already, situate yourself in a natural, relaxed position. Many people like to meditate seated in a comfortable, straight-backed chair, feet firmly resting on the ground, with hands placed gently in the lap. You may prefer a different position. Perhaps you would like to try listening to this recording laying down or with your feet crossed. Whatever you do, find a comfortable posture and let your eyes drift closed. Feel your ribs and belly as you breathe. Savor the heaviness in your limbs as they relax, letting gravity hold you in its gentle embrace. You can feel every fiber of your body soften, relax, and release. Now, as we continue through this meditation, let everything be effortless, an easy continuation of your physical presence. Give yourself permission now to stop planning, expecting, and reacting, just for a little while. Just be. Breathe in and exhale. As you breathe, you will begin to notice areas in your body that feel tense or uncomfortable. On your next breath in, imagine your breath as a white light or cool breeze. Feel it surge through your body, touching the places where you carry tension or pain. Then as you exhale, this tension follows your breath out of your body, leaving you more relaxed than before.